Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming port and cable capabilities. Thunderbolt 3 versus USB-C matters because data and power lanes differ. Check firmware on the device and the host OS. Updates often fix handshake failures. Once done, power cycle both units. This clears transient states. Make sure you plug directly into the host port without hubs or passive adapters so you eliminate extra variables. If the device still shows no connection, move to the next set of tests to inspect drivers and link negotiation. Next, you focus on software and link layer verification because many failures are driver-related. Reinstall Thunderbolt and controller drivers and update device firmware. Corrupted drivers block authentication. Then, use system logs, dmesc on Linux, Event Viewer on Windows, I/O Registry on Mac OS to read negotiation errors and device ID. Try a known good cable and a different host. This single swap isolates whether cable, port, or device is faulty. If negotiation shows no power or unauthorized, to finish, reset platform controllers, SMC or NVRAM on Macs, and relevant chipset resets on PCs, because controller hang states block links. Re-authenticate the device in Thunderbolt security settings so the host allows the peripheral. Verify power delivery. Confirm the correct voltage/current and that external power is connected, since insufficient power prevents enumeration. If problems persist, run the vendor's diagnostics or a bootable environment to isolate the host OS. One key troubleshooting tip: swap the host. If it works there, the original OS or controller is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.